Hey guys, so welcome to Joe's RC Corner, and if you guys follow along, you'll notice there's something missing in the background. Alright guys, so as you can see, there's something missing in the background. If you guys have been following my channel, you already know that we got the Cricket out to the airport. That was a milestone on this build, and I'm super stoked about that, because what that means is she's too big to fit in here now. So what I've decided to do is we're going to go ahead and we moved everything from my workshop here in the garage, and I'm going to give up the AC, and we're going to start building the wings and the stab, the vertical stabilizer, out there at the airport. And the reason for that, guys, is it costs a bit of money to get that airplane out there, and if I build the wings here, they're too big to fit in my 4Runner. I don't have a trailer to really get them out there, and the gentleman that I used the trailer to go get my airplane originally, his trailer is no longer available here in the area. So I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to build it at the airport. So today is Thursday night, so just getting a head start here on the video. So let's head out to Saturday. I'm going to jump into the future, and we're going to go up to the airport, and I'll let you see what we got there. All right, guys, so now we're back out at the hangar, and we got a little bit of work done here. I got my little guy over here with me today. But we got a little bit of work. We're getting some work done here, trying to get things set up so we can work out here comfortably. It is getting nice and cool out. It's not actually too bad in here today, which is great. We do have the air conditioner inside there, inside the office area there. So if I do get too hot, I can go in there. But, so what we're doing today, let me turn the camera around and I'll show you what we got. All right, guys, so like I said, it is echoey in here, but what we're doing is I got the bench set up here for the most part. I have it leveled, and we're ready to start building the wing on here. So I do need to get some better task lighting up here, so that's where these came in. I got these over at Harbor Freight. They're 20 bucks each, not too bad. And we're gonna be extending the wires on here. So on Amazon, of course, I bought 100 feet of wire that we can go ahead and extend those. And I already did that over here, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this. So we have our two tables, or basically it was one shelf. Turned it into a little bench area, and added some task light in here, so now I can see what I'm doing while I'm working on this area. So we have our sander, we have a bandsaw now, just got that. It was fairly inexpensive on Harbor Freight. We'll see how good it works. And then, of course, or I'm sorry, not Harbor Freight, Amazon. And then over here, we got the Harbor Freight drill press, which works pretty well for what I use it for. And of course, it has the little bit of task light in here, which is really bad. But with this light up here, helps out quite a bit. And if I need any extra lighting in any spots, I can always take those, put those up somewhere. So over here, of course, we got the Cricket. And we have my toolbox finally got out here. We got a little heater. We got my compressors out here now. And a little shelf over here with some stuff. I did buy the tow bar from Zenith. However, I'm kind of liking mine better because I can tow it with my car, which is great. So today, my goal on the airplane at least is to go ahead and maybe run the engine for a little bit. Hasn't really ran a whole lot. I need to get the fuel out of the back, so might as well just let the engine run for a little bit and see how that runs, see how it goes. But I'm gonna put some task light in back here, hanging from that beam to there. So airplanes will have to relocate, not a big deal. We'll find a new home for those. Plenty of hanging space here. I do have to get some bulbs replaced, so I have these fluorescent lights, and you can see those are that one's half out, this one's dead. These two work, and the one over in that far corner works. However, we're going to be replacing those with some ultra white LED tubes. So we're going to be removing the ballast out of those and then wiring those up directly so that we can have really bright light in here. So that's kind of the plan of where we are right now, guys. Cricket's here. We're going to get start working on some parts and moving on. All right, guys, so next week, this is pretty much a short video. Maybe at the end of the video, I'll put a couple pictures of how the final lighting is in here. And on the next video, guys, we'll be back to work. Hopefully this will be off and I'll be able to get a little bit more work done on the Cricket. So without further ado, guys, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you like the video and watch the whole thing if you can. All right, guys, bye now. See you on the next video.